After surveying thousands of users, we found that traditional enclosures and hubs often come with various pain points during use.
Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.